Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today is a very short video and just a little tease because I just received a box full of goodies for me to review for you guys. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright guys, so here's the package that I got from Boox today, and it's a bit of a heads up so that you guys can see what's to come on my deep guide. So let's open it up. All right, so this is basically a review kit goodie bag that I got from Boox so that you guys can see all the latest stuff, such as the Boox Poke 3, the Boox Nova 3. Hey, I didn't know this existed. A new pen, a different pen. Okay, so plasticky and stuff, but I think same nibs and some added nibs from Boox pen nibs. But this is something I didn't know existed, and we'll see how that actually works. That would be cool if it's actually magnetic and if it worked with Note Air. We'll see. The Boox Note 3 and the Boox wireless keyboard. So tons of goodies here to test out, review, and bring you up to speed. So here's the whole thing. I'll be able to bring you the in-depth reviews and testing of the Boox Poke 3, Nova 3, Note 3, Bluetooth keyboard, and furthermore, because I have my own Note Air and my other devices, I'll be able to actually compare directly Note Air with the Note 3, my Nova 2 with the Nova 3, and my Poke 2 with the Poke 3, and also to compare my standard Bluetooth keyboard that I use normally with the Boox Bluetooth keyboard, or whatever it is. I guess it's Bluetooth keyboard. To see what it's like, and all so that you guys can actually have as much information as possible, as objective as possible, so that you can make an informed decision that's relevant to you and your budget, so that you end up with something that you actually need and use. So I'm really looking forward to coming weeks, because this is like goodies bonanza awesomeness. Well, that's pretty freaking awesome. Even though they are, just review units and I send them back after a month, it's still so freaking cool to have the opportunity to actually check them out and test them out, because and I feel very, very privileged to be in a position where, for example, Boox decides that I am trustworthy enough to actually send me a package like this, and that I can review the units for you guys, and that you guys also appreciate the work that I do. So thank you. I'm gonna try and do my best to actually do all of these kinds of things, but I also have to mention that end of the year is an uber busy period for me, and I also have to clarify that I have usually scheduled around a day and a half or 2 days a week for YouTube stuff, meaning my deep guide. And basically that limits my ability to do these things, because I have on next week, November 15th, my semester teaching starts, and that's going to be 4 weeks of very, very focused working. Not that much time left for pretty much anything else. Plus I have my regular work of developing video games and consulting and all this kind of stuff, so very, very busy to begin with. And when I throw in this in the middle of the busy period, of course, right, that's how that goes. So, but I'm still gonna do my best to try and prepare as much content as I can in advance. I'm gonna try and prioritize Note 3 versus Note Air and the Remarkable and all these kinds of things. I'm gonna try and prioritize those, because I know that's what most people are actually waiting to make a decision. So yes, it's a big responsibility, and I'm gonna try and deliver on that. Very, very exciting stuff is coming, and I think I'm basically now kind of filled for until the end of the year, because I want to also do the big books guide series to actually give you an instructional video series of videos, shorter ones on how to do, how to organize, how to get around, how to bridge that learning gap that some users actually experience when they transfer to an Android device, such as any of the Boox devices, so that you can utilize and maximize its use. And also I want to do a big wrap up, like 2020, the crap year that it is. A lot of awesome products actually came out. So there's good stuff and bad stuff. But yeah, I want to do a wrap up kind of video for the year and try and make a matrix kind of comparison for what types of use case scenarios, price wise, budget, and all that kind of stuff, which are the products that are best for different types of needs, so that people can actually use that and choose wisely. So lots of goodies to come until the end of the year, so it's going to be very, very packed, and yeah, I just hope that I can get everything done in time. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and if you like what I do, check out the Patreon and consider becoming an official Patreon, because you get inside scoop stories and a little bit of a behind the scenes type of things. So yeah, and of course you support the platform so that my deep guide can grow further, and so that I can bring you even better videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!